Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the SimpliSafe base station wireless interference detected error in 2026. So this particular error is going to look something like this. So it is wireless interference error. So first of all, you need to check where the base station is placed. You need to keep it in a central location away from the thick walls, metal objects and the large electronics. Also avoid pairing it near routers, TVs and microwaves. Better placement improves the signal stability. Afterwards, you need to look around for the wireless devices. The devices like Wi-Fi routers, codeless phones and the Bluetooth gadgets can cause the interference. So you can try moving them slightly away from the base station. Even small changes can make a huge difference. Now, even after doing both of these steps, it is still not working. Then you can just simply perform a quick restart. In it, you just have to first of all unplug the base station, then wait for about 1 minute and then plug it back in. Also restart your router if it is needed. This is going to help refresh the connection as well. Make sure that the sensors are also not too far from the base station. If needed, you can just simply move them closer or you can reposition the base station for better coverage. So this way you will be able to fix this particular error very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.